battery change on a 2005 R6. First of all, we need to undo these two Allen bolts here. Take the seat off, so I'll do that, which is dead easy, so I won't bore you with the rest of this crap. Okay, now that's done. All you need to do is just sort of lift that and off it pops. You're going to see the battery right there. So it's a basic case of just a couple of Phillips screwdrivers there. This is one of the older batteries, so it should be easier to pull out than the newer ones. We've got some kind of strap across here, but we won't go into that because this is a 2005 and not a new one. That's the first one removed, but what I always do is I'll put the screws or the bolts back in there to make sure that I don't lose them. Just get out of the way. And then we're going to do the right hand one. And once I've took the terminal, the leads out of the way, screw that back in. And it's a simple case of, fingers crossed, lifting out the battery. Don't think there's anything else in there. So yeah, let's try that. I'm going to have to put the camera down for a second here. Yeah, it really was a case of just sort of lifting from the bottom and pulling it through. And now we can lift that out. As long as that thing's not caught in it. And there we go, there we've got it. So I can change that now. Alright, here's the new battery, which goes this way. So fitting it is just a reversal of taking it out. It shouldn't be too difficult. Having said that, the amount of vehicles I've worked on in the past and had problems with this kind of shit is unbelievable. Right, I needed two hands to get that in there. What I did here was stuck my finger through there and sort of wiggled it backwards as well, just to make sure that I could get it right in there. I'll do it again. And as you would expect with anything on a vehicle that technicians have had and engineers have had to put together, fucking wankers, and they make it more difficult than anything to get things in. Now on the new R6, what you've got is a strap that's fixed at the bottom rather than the top, and you have to move a bunch of things out of the way before you get that on, so that's even worse than this. Now this wasn't easy to get on. I had to almost force it. So now all it is a case of joining the terminals back on. It shouldn't be too difficult. Already how that's in, they're all screwed up tight. So moment of truth, let's have a look what happens here. Keep your fingers crossed for me, wait for the lights to go out, get that on there. Wonderful! And there we have it, it works. The old battery was so there we go, we're mobile again. Well done, Betty. This is Betty, by the way. And of course, before we get on and ride again, back seat slots in there. Sorry, seat slots in there, should be relatively easy, push down. And it's just a case of sticking these back in here. So I've found the grommet that fit that one, or whatever it's called. And so yeah, now I'll just bolt those back up and we're ready to go. By the way, the only tools I needed for this were this Allen key and the Phillips screwdriver. I think this is a 6mm, maybe, I don't know, 5mm. Yeah, but that's all we needed, and here we go. Betty's ready for the off again. Now Betty needs a clean. She's a filthy little girl. All right.